Hi Muzammil, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Muzammil, I know you are just short by height, but not by maturity. I know you are a very mature guy, so I'm going to ask you some little mature questions. Do you ever feel discriminated on the basis of your religion?
No, I am not feel like discriminated about my religion.
Did any teacher or any student ever discriminate with you?
No, any teacher and any student no discriminate with me about my religion.
Do you think are Muslims the safest in India?
Yes, I see. Yes, I see in our area. I am safe. I am safe.
Do you ever feel that your Hindu friends are trying to disturb you?
No, my Hindu friends are not disturbed to trying.
What do you want to say about your Hindu friend Akash?
It is Akash is very polite and he did not discriminate me about my religion.
What do you want to become in your life?
I want to become a robotics engineering in our life.
Who has inspired you about this?
I inspire to see Tony Stark because I see many robots of Tony Stark, and I also want to make like robots.
Today you will have to tell one dialogue of Tony Stark. Tell one dialogue of Tony Stark today. We want to listen from you. There's a famous line of his robot, I think. The robot generally speaks. Jarvis something, what do we call?
Jarvis.
मैं तो जानवी कह रहा था भाई.
Jarvis. In sudden, I am not याद नहीं आ रहा.
I don't remember. present.
I did not remember to Tony Stark line.
What do you want to do for your parents?
I want to do my parents that if my parents want to buy that thing, I also buy this thing, and if my parents want to, if anything want, then I will buy it.
Do you think studying in private school is like poor feeling?
But sir,
Do you think studying in government school is like a stigma of poverty?
no, I am also studying in government school because I want to enjoy my life, and in private school I did not want to enjoy my life, but in government school I even bunk my classes and many more.
Do you think government schools are the best than private school?
Yes, I think government school are best rather than private school.
You are like me. I also joined government school just to enjoy because there was no study. Just have fun. One thing you want to tell all of us about you that you think you will be very glad to know about me.
Yes, I want to ask to all the people that I am introvert and I did not speak many more to other peoples because I want to speak other peoples, but my mind say क्या करेगा बात करो.
Okay. What will happen by talking?
क्या?
What will you do by talking?
हाँ, yes.
Well, clap on. Good one.